maintenance my unit with me. So first I start by removing the unit. I'm using the adhesive remover by Walker Tape. I'll saturate my skin and the unit and slowly start to pull it off. I'll then use some more adhesive remover and a comb to kind of gather the rest of that glue off of my scalp. And then I'll take some alcohol, put it on a towel to clean off what's left. This part honestly feels amazing. I'll wash and condition my hair. Normally while I'm doing that, I've already let my unit sit in the adhesive remover for a couple of minutes. One trick I've learned is to take a spoon while it's in the adhesive remover and start lightly scraping the adhesive off of the unit. Once you finish scraping up all of the adhesive from the unit, you need to wash and condition the unit as if you would your own hair. Definitely be gentle. You don't want to tear the lace or pull off any hairs from the sides. Otherwise, you'll have trouble achieving a more realistic look. Now it's time to shave that middle part of your head. I usually follow along where my barber already shaved, and then I'll use an eyeliner pencil to kind of map out where I want my hairline to be, and then start fitting it on my head to make sure that it still fits. I'll then take some of this bold hold. I am pretty active, so I get the one for oily skin. I'll then use a spatula to kind of lay out a thin coat. I suggest using one, no more than 2 coats, and wait until it dries clear. I'll then begin placing the unit where I want it to be. I don't want to press down too hard just yet in case I mess up. But once I get the unit where I want it to be, I now start securing the unit onto my head. Make sure that you stretch it out to that way you have no lumps. And take some foaming mousse. I use Narubi's. It's pretty dope. And use a generous amount of foam to lay this bad boy down. I then take the brush and just make sure that I lay it flat and really blend it into my hair, because I'm going to take my stocking cap and tightly place it over my head. I usually pull it down all the way over my face and then take the hair dryer and kind of let that foam settle in and load the unit onto your head. I normally stop when the unit is completely dry or when my arm gets sore enough. Here are the results. I think this is a good install. I'll now go to my barber and let him shape it up for me.